Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Automated. Whenever one searches for space-saving ideas for a home, one often comes across some of the most ingenious but hard to build and not so realistic ideas. A great space-saving idea should not only save you a lot of space, but it should also be practical. In today's video, we will be telling you guys some great space-saving ideas that are easy to build and practical as well. These ingenious space-saving ideas will help you make the most of the limited space, especially if you have a small apartment or a house with small rooms. If you like the content of this video, remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. It really helps support this channel, helps us grow, and helps others to see this channel and allows us to keep producing and uploading this content. Let's get started. Number 7. Above kitchen sink dish rack. Many houses and apartments often have small kitchens where managing space can be a big problem. This ingenious rack idea not only saves space, but it also makes it easy to wash utensils and place them on the rack above. The rack itself is very simple and easy to find. In case you are unable to find such a rack, you can get it made for you from the local hardware shop. It is ideal for placing the most used kitchen utensils like crockery, cutlery, glasses, and cups. Number 6. Desk that opens to makeup drawer with back mirror. This ingenious table modification not only converts your study table into a vanity table, but it also provides perfect storage space for all your makeup and accessories. You can easily replace the existing table drawer with such under-the-hood storage. Attach a mirror on the underside and your vanity table will be ready. You will never have to worry about finding small things in large drawers. Everything will be organized and in place. Number 5. False floor for invisible storage space. We have all heard of false ceilings. However, false flooring is far more practical and advantageous. Check this ingenious idea that will increase the storage space in your house by at least 2 times. The storage cabins are easily accessible, and you can place your furniture above the storage cabins. You can use the drawers at the front for storage of items that are used more frequently. Number 4. Murphy bed. Also known as the wall beds, Murphy beds are slowly getting into the mainstream as the square footage of apartments is coming down. Murphy beds are ingenious, multifunctional beds that can be used as beds as well as sofas. Some Murphy beds feature a decorative space as well. They are durable and easy to use. Murphy beds are especially great for homes that have a single bedroom or where there's no living room. They are also great for homes that don't have any guest bedrooms. A Murphy bed allows you to turn a living room into a bedroom within a matter of seconds. Number 3. Make a bookshelf inside a door. Have you ever wondered why we have the same old boring doors in every single house? Even some of the most modern houses have the same type of doors. Check this ingenious idea that turns your ordinary boring doors into stylish space-saving doors with bookshelves. This particular idea is really easy to implement, and you can easily get it made from a carpenter who knows his craft. In fact, it is so simple that you can even make it on your own. It will not only give you a stylish new look to your old boring doors, but will also provide you with a huge amount of extra storage space. You can make a bookshelf inside the door and place some decoration pieces alongside to add some personality to the door. Number 2. Hide your washing machine in kitchen. Many people find it difficult to find an appropriate place for their washing machine. Most of houses and apartments don't have a separate laundry space. Keeping a washing machine in a bathroom is often not an option because of the small size of bathrooms, and keeping it in the kitchen can be a big turnoff. However, a practical and easy way of keeping your washing machine inside the house is to place it inside a shelf that separates the kitchen space from the rest of the house. If you have a top-loader washing machine, then you can have a shelf opening from the top, and if you have a front-loading washing machine, you can have a door opening from the front. No one will ever notice that you have a washing machine inside the kitchen, and you will be able to use it whenever you'll need to. Number 1. Under stairs storage. If you have a double-story house or townhouse, storage space should never be an issue for you. Usually, there is plenty of space under the staircase to make an entire storeroom. You can optimize the use of this space by making drawers and cabinets under the staircase. This will not only provide you space to keep the storage items, but it will also allow you to keep some of the day-to-day use items. You can easily take them out whenever you want. Which of these amazing space-saving items did you like the most? You can let us know by leaving a comment below. Remember, if you liked this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell below so you don't miss new videos after uploading. Also, check out my channel to see other videos I've done, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.